Today I want to show you this hair styling hair wrap set. And if you struggle with frizz or just take too long styling, you need to watch this video. I used to use multiple tools that damaged my hair and didn't still give me the look that I wanted. But I found this amazing product and seriously it replaces everything. It dries, curls, smooths, volumizes and even tames flyaways all in one. This is an 8-in-1 styling set. Everything you need. These AutoWrap curlers are the coolest part. The airflow literally wraps your hair for you, giving effortless curls in minutes. It also has a smart temperature control under 250 Fahrenheit, plus multiple heat and airflow settings, so you get fast results without heat damage. My hair looks smoother, shinier, and takes me about 5 minutes instead of 30. If you want an easy salon style blowout at home, this is such a good pick. I highly recommend it.